A simple and effective food trick that can help with both weight loss and mental health is incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet. Here's how it works. 1. Weight loss. Satiety. Fiber helps you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Blood sugar regulation. It slows the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings. Digestive health. Aids in regular bowel movements, reducing bloating and improving gut health. 2. Mental health. Gut-brain connection. A healthy gut microbiome, supported by fiber, can positively impact mood and cognitive function. Serotonin production. About 90% of serotonin, a key neurotransmitter for mood regulation, is produced in the gut, which thrives on a fiber-rich diet. Stable energy levels. By maintaining steady blood sugar levels, fiber can help prevent mood swings and fatigue. Foods high in fiber include fruits like apples and berries, vegetables such as broccoli and carrots, whole grains like oats and quinoa, legumes such as beans and lentils, and nuts and seeds. By making these foods a regular part of your meals, you can support both your physical and mental health.